Hi, this is John from Chicago, and I'm doing an update on my VisWhoop quadcopter. It's a DJI quadcopter with the graphics. It uses the DJI goggle. It has an air unit in here, and the video is just fantastic. Everybody, it's worth the hype. It's great. It's really immersive, and it's super clear. And to fly with DJI, you get spoiled, and you don't want to go back to analog. So you really get spoiled with the digital view. The Cadix system is right in here. It's fairly small and lightweight, and it's using the standard DJI camera up front. And what I've learned with flying this for a little over a week is you're going to break your prop guards. They give you 2 extra ones, but I've broken 3 of them. And you can't get replacements, or haven't found a place to get replacement. It's probably not worth getting them because they're just going to break again. And it flies a lot better without the prop guards. You're flying outdoors. I don't think you're going to really fly this indoors. You'd have to fly it real slow if you do, because it is quite a quick quad. By taking the prop guards off, my flight times have decreased going around my park track from about 14.7 seconds down to 12.3 seconds per lap. So it's a good 2 seconds quicker per lap by taking these prop guards out. The other thing it does for you is when you're doing acrobatics, if you're doing a power loop, when you come back around and pull up, it doesn't do any wobble. It handles a lot better and more predictable. So the handling is a lot better. I do top mount my battery. I think that's helping me a little bit. I think it has more control with the battery on top, better weight distribution. And let's see, some of the things that are still wrong with this frame. I'm looking at frames to replace it. I have purchased a couple, and I'll come back with a third video once I find the best frame. But this particular frame, the camera sticks out about 1/8 of an inch, so it doesn't have good camera protection. I also heard that these TPU units, if they take a hard hit, they will crack and break. The frame has a lot of flex. These arms are pretty thin, and the way the pattern of the carbon is, it has a lot of flex. So the new, without the hoops, this weighs 103 grams. Dry weight, it'd be nice. I'm looking for something to get me another 5 to 10 grams lighter. I'm hoping I could find something that'll work out good to improve this, but this says it's still fun to fly. And taking off the hoops or the ducks, I guess they're not really ducks, they're prop protectors, has made this fly a lot better. Like I said, I'm doing 12.3 second laps, which is 44 miles an hour average speed. So it does move pretty good, and I recommend picking one up, especially these goggles, now that they're on sale for $409. And the quadcopter here for $200, so a little bit over $600. You could be flying digital, and it's quite an experience. And if you don't like the way this works, you could always upgrade the frame for anywhere from $12 up to about $50 to get a better frame. This is John from Chicago. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below.